Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be tasting all the snacks in this box. So these are Amazon snacks. They're online for roughly under $50. They're inexpensive and you get 40 snacks. Like, that is a lot. 40 snacks. Right, so we're gonna go straight into the video. Just putting on my remote for my tripod. Yeah. Alright, so guys, I'm also on the ground, so don't come at me. But these are the snacks. These are all the snacks that we're going to try today. Guys, don't mind the background noise. My nephews were outside playing and they were having fun. Do you guys hear my nephew? No, come on. I know you hear him. They're killing me. They're killing me. Alright. What should we try first? We have, they have a chocolate chip mini. Like, these are bomb. For sure. We have Smart Food white cheddar. This looks like it's some popcorn. I've seen this out here, but I'm not sure if I've had it before. I can't recall. But this is what I'm excited to try. I'm excited to try this. You know what? We're gonna try this. So the first thing we're going to try is the Chester fries. It's the flaming hot flavor, and it's corn and potato snacks, and it looks just like this. So it smells like the regular flaming hot chips. I'm excited. This is good, and this is what they look like. And it's also spicy, but it's not overbearing. Like, this is good. This is good. So guys, on to the next snack. I'm just gonna randomly make it. Alright, this is that is bomb. You know, like when you're eating pepper or the hot pepper sauce, but it don't hit you same time. Is when you swallow it and it's hitting the back of your throat. That's it. But the other one, that this is the Munchies peanut honey roasted. And this is how it looks. And guys, you can see that all of these are not expired. This one is due to expire on 27th of July 2021. So these snacks are also, they're good. So that's a plus for me. Alright, there you go. Do that. So this is how it looks. This is definitely honey roasted. Like, you can taste the honey, you can taste the sugar. Like, these snacks are bomb, guys. Don't underrate Amazon. These snacks are bomb. I don't even know if they consider peanuts a snack, but this is bomb. Okay, so this is the onion flavored rings, and it says this one is due to expire on 23rd of February 2021. So this one is soon due to expire. Okay, so let's see how this tastes. Well, this has a weird smell. It doesn't smell like onion. No. I thought this would have tasted good. Like, I love stuff with onion, but I don't know. Guys, heck to the no. Funyuns is a 0 out of 10 for me. Yeah, and I brought my water because oh guys, I forgot to rate them. Alright, let me rate them. So for me, the Flaming Hot, 10 out of 10. The Munchies Honey Roasted Peanut, 10 out of 10. Funyuns, 0 out of 10. Like, who created this? This shit is terrible. And I love food, and I'm telling you, like, this is terrible. Don't buy this. Don't buy this. If you're buying this for your kids, shame on you. Shame on you. That shit, that tastes like something that doesn't deserve to be going on the road. And guys, I'm not going to try all of these snacks, but I might try one of each. That's the plan. Alright, so this is Grandma's mini sandwich creamy, and it's a vanilla flavored. This one is due to expire on the 4th of May 2021. It says serving size about 9 cookies. Oh no! So let's see. Well, this smells like vanilla. This is how it looks, guys, before I get in, and it looks just like the image. You can see the vanilla. This is good. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Do you think I should invite my nephew on this? I'm a cop. Guys, can you believe? I thought this was recording. But we tried this. This tastes like sausage and it's terrible. I ain't going to taste like, it even smells terrible. Like, people could never be eating this. Like, this is how it looks. I don't know who invented this, but you need to do better. Yeah, they need to do better, Papa. But you can eat the lace. You want the lace? I guess he's enjoying his pretzel. Alright, I'll try the lace. So this is the barbecue lace, and this one is, oh no, Amazon, you got to be kidding me. So this one expired from the 26th of January. Come on, no, you sent me expired stuff. You want to try it? There you go. You okay? Want another one? You like that one? There you go. Come on. Learn this side to get trouble. So I guess you're not sick anymore? No? Alright guys, so I have one last snack to try. I'm not going to pull any more snacks because Mr. Miserable decided that he wants to start giving trouble, so this is a wrap for me. But this is the last snacks. It says it's a Tex-Mex trail mix, hot and spicy peanut, almond, salsa corn stick, sesame stick, and chili bits and pepitas. Okay. Oh, don't play with Ari. There you go. Right. So his bro is also in front of us, but you can't see him. You want to try this? You want to try it as well, Dill? So this is the almond. Now he decides he wants to try. It's spicy. I don't like this. I don't like this. You see how much I don't like this. So I had gave my stepfather some money. He actually likes it, so I'm going to give him this because I don't like this at all. So I will rate this 6 out of 10. But 6 out of 10. But guys, that's the end of the video. If you do like these type of videos, I know it was a little short because my nephew decided to start giving me trouble. But there's so many snacks in here, but I'm not going to pull all of them. But this is actually a good snack pack. I bought this with my own money, so it's actually good. What I don't like is that some of them are already expired. But even though it's expired, they still taste a little fresh. But I don't like that. Like the Doritos are all expired, so I'm not going to eat those. No, Papa, we can't eat this. No, I don't know what is that. The pretzel was also expired, but it tasted really good. As you can see, my nephew likes it. He's eating it up. Here you go. You're welcome. My nephew likes it, so that's a plus. I'm in love with the flaming hot fries. As I said, I hate this. I hate this. I know the chocolate chips, so there's no need to police. This is a 10 out of 10. The Doritos are a 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. The honey roasted. Oh, get out of the camera. The honey roasted peanuts, 10 out of 10. So, only thing I didn't like was that long jerky steak thing and the Funyuns. I hate the Funyuns. But other from that, everything else tasted really good. Oh yeah, and I don't hate this. I just don't like how they mix some of the nuts together. But yeah. But enough of that, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you can always be notified when I upload. And he's on again. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.